Recently, we have shared an amazing summer internship opportunity where you all have some very good response. Thank you so much for supporting. In today's video, we are going to discuss an amazing opportunity in the business analytics domain. Which opportunity is this? Which company is providing this opportunity? Where to apply? How to apply? Who all are eligible? All the things will be covered in today's video. So make sure that you are watching this video till end. If you are visiting our platform for very first time, then I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon in order to get all the latest video notification from our side. Also, those who have connected recently in our community, I just want to give a quick announcement. We have already created WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp community, Telegram announcement group, Telegram discussion group, my personal LinkedIn profile link and Instagram link in the video description. So after watching this video, if you are feeling to get more amazing opportunity or eager to know about the career opportunities, then you can join and follow for the free. We are not charging any single penny from the community participants. Whether you are a college student, fresher or working professional or experienced candidate in any of the respective domain, then you can definitely join it for free. So without wasting further time, let's go to our laptop screen. Everyone, welcome again to our YouTube channel. As you can see that we are on the careers.scangroup.com official website where we have to seek an amazing opportunity in the business analytics domain. The company is seeking a detail-oriented business analyst to join their awesome team. The ideal candidate will serve as a crucial link between business objective and technology solution by analyzing business processes, identify improvement opportunities, and driving the implementation of effective business solution. This role involved close collaboration with stakeholders to gather and document required streamlined process and ensure successful project delivery. So now we will be discussing about the responsibility which you will be doing as a business analyst. You will be elicit and document requirement, collaborating with the stakeholder to gather, document, and prioritize business requirement. Before moving further, I just want to know that if you know about business analyst domain, then you can directly apply. But for up the student or candidate which do not have any knowledge about BA, but they have heard about this domain and eager to learn about business analyst. So if you want dedicated roadmap for business analyst, then do comment down. I will be personally giving you the video. One more thing, if you are interested to join our community and want to learn business analyst from me, then you can also book and personalized mentorship call to discuss the roadmap and what the skill set required for the particular opportunity. I am also providing impact training group and one-to-one both are available. So please contact our team for more detail. Now back to the video. Second point, analyze and improve processes. You will be evaluating business process analyze data to identify trends and insight and recommended improvement. Axis risk and priorities. Developing process model recommended innovative solution. You will be propose innovative solution to optimize and streamline business operation. You will be helping to design and implement solution, create specifics and use cases. You will be ensuring quality standard. Think what you will be needed means what is the minimum qualification or eligibility criteria for applying for this awesome opportunity. So number one, bachelor degree in computer science, engineering or a related field, prior experience working as a BI analyst in shipping and logistics, minimum 5 years of experience as a business analyst, strong analytical and problem solving skill with ability to interpret complex data and generate actionable insight, excellent written and verbal communication skill capable of engaging effectively with both technical and non-technical stakeholders, including business team and external partner. Keen attention to detail in identify and implementing improve workflow and solution within software application with a collaborative approach to team ideas and product development. You must be proficiency in business analytics tools and software, for example, Microsoft Visio, Jira, and SQL. Familiarity with the project management methodologies, example, Agile and Waterfall. Knowledge of SOAP, UI, and Postman is a plus. Now, what will be the offerings? The innovative environment, collaborative culture, professional growth, impactful one, inclusive workplace, competitive compensation, and growth opportunity. If you want to apply, then you can click the apply now button. Wait for a couple of seconds to get loaded. Then enter your personal details like first name, last name, middle name is optional, email address, phone number, LinkedIn URL, country, address, postal code, and date of birth. Then upload your resume. I recommend ATS resume with 70 plus score. So it will be definitely getting shortlisted for many of the opportunity. Having 70 plus score is very good thing, and LinkedIn profile must be optimized. Then if you answer this question and submit the application. If you need any help, we will provide you dedicated support. You can contact us on WhatsApp or directly call on our number provided in the video description. Guys, thank you so much for showing your love and support. Please support us in our journey. Thank you so much. I will be seeing you in the next video with another opportunity very soon. Till then, take care and bye.